Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to do one more series parallel combination with a new perspective. So this one is asking still for kiloohms, and it wants it from node A to node F. Node F is at the bottom down here. And again, we're just going to stick a multimeter in there and measure the resistance between those 2 points. And that's what they're asking us to calculate. What's the resistance if we were to measure around those 2 points? And this is going to change our perspective a little bit. So from node A, we know that we can stop at node C here, and then we'll reevaluate. We're going to do a center divide here. So we're just going to go from node A and try to get to node C. And then from node C, we're going to try and get to node F after that. So from node A, we can go through R1 and through R2 to get to point C. So we'll say that it's R1 in series with R2. And that has another pathway, a parallel path that we can go. We can go down through R8 and through R7. So we'll say that that's R8 in series with R7. At this point, we're at point C here. And so from here, we're going to add whatever this value results out to be to whatever we're going to get from the bottom side here. So we'll change colors and we'll go from point C to point F. And we know we can get to point F through the R6 value. So we can say that that is R6 in parallel with the other pathway to get to point F. And we know that's through R3 and through R4 and through R5. And that's going to get us down to point F also. So we'll put those in here. We'll say that we have R3 in parallel in series with R4 in series with R5. Okay? And so now that we have all of that, we're going to solve for each one of these independently. We'll solve out this parallel. We'll add it to the parallel of the bottom. Let's plug that in. So we know that we have a parallel at the top here. So 1 over 1 over, and that's R1 plus R2. So we'll go 3.6 plus 4.7. And we'll add that to the other branch that we have, R8 and R7. So that's 2.1 for R7 and 1 for R8. After that, we're going to add this value to whatever we get for the bottom half here. So we'll open a parenthesis here and we'll say that we have R6 in parallel with R3, 4, and 5. So that's going to be our 1 over 1 over equation. We'll put R6 right there. That's 1.5. We'll add that to the 1 over of our combination of 3 here, R3, R4, and R5. So 1.3 plus 1.7 plus R5, which is 3.1. And we're left with a new total series parallel resistance here of RT is equal to 3.46 kiloohms. All right, let us know if you have any questions.